Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to take my first withdrawal from my Imperial crown. Let's start our video. First of all, I log into my Imperial crown. My total balance is 99.9377. Let's go to the personal tab, then click on withdrawal money, click amount. I'm going to withdraw 33 USDT and I will enter my funds. 5. Continue. Successful. You can see that my fund transfer request has been successfully placed. Now I'm going to check my Binance account. This is my Binance account. Login session expired. I'm going to log in again with my Google account. Login successful. Click on my wallet. At time there is no USDT. It means it will take some time to credit my wallet. I'm going to pause this video for a few while. This amount has been transferred from my Imperial crown, but it's not received in my Binance account. It takes 1 day or 24 hours to complete this transaction. Thanks for watching this video.